We are back from Labor Day weekend and markets remain calm with gold continuing to trade at levels last seen last week. Could there be a market mover this week for the metal, or will it continue to trade sideways ahead of this month's FOMC meeting? We have Frank Holmes joining us now. Frank, good to see you again.
It's good to be back, and football season starts this Thursday.
That's right. I feel your excitement, Frank. And let's look at gold, the metal trading a few dollars below its 50-day moving average. September has historically been a strong month for gold. But could this trend change this year given all that is going on this month?
Well, historically, September is a great month for gold. Last year it wasn't because the oil markets rolled over. So the big factor here is, will oil be stable this month? And this would mean that probably gold trades higher for the love trade that picks up in Asia.
Well, Frank, let's talk about a point you brought up in your daily commentary on Kitco.com. You note that central bank gold reserves are declining. And if they continue at this pace, reserves would be $1.5 trillion lower from its peak by the end of 2016. How could this affect the price of the metal?
No, it's really not the gold reserves. It's the foreign paper reserves. That's what's peaking, and gold is a subset of those. So what's important to recognize, falling oil prices means there are less petrodollars to be recycled, and China's trade slowing down has an impact on these foreign currencies. But what's really important for gold investors is this accumulation by central banks of gold. So we continue to see, now we're seeing out of China, monthly reporting of their consumption of gold, and we're seeing the repatriation of gold. We saw the Netherlands bring back over 120 tons, Germany, Austria, and even the state of Texas is basically wants to have its gold in the state of Texas.
Well, Frank, you just mentioned it. China keeps releasing data showing that the country's still buying gold. Given the uncertainty with Chinese markets, is this a trend that can continue?
Yes, I'm a big believer because central bankers around the world recognize the currency wars that are taking place and the currency debasement. And the best thing is to own real assets. So we're seeing in many of these countries, Japan, Switzerland, et cetera, they're buying also the biggest stocks in their public capital markets. So now you're seeing that major shareholders of the Japanese market is a central bank, and same thing in Switzerland.
All right, Frank, your touchdown pass this week, what's it going to be?
Well, we have PPI coming out on Friday, but everyone's so focused on jobs. So I guess that's going to dominate on Thursday. And Thursday night football, perfect day.
All right, Frank, enjoy the game. Thanks so much for joining us. And thank you for watching this edition of Kitco News. We have Kitco's Global Trading Director, Peter Hugg, up next.